everything is sound, you know, so when we're working in harmony, we're having sounds that are harmonically related and harmonically in balance. In sort of forms of complementary medicine, we know that certain sounds will stimulate the central nervous system, they will stimulate the immune system. Absolutely fantastic for alleviating stress and tension, balancing the left and the right hemispheres of the brain. I mean, I'm sure that there's people out there that love, for example, motor cars, and they hear the sound of a Ferrari, or they hear the sound of a Harley Davidson, and to those people it's really pleasing sound. You know, it has a specific song to it, but for some people it's a sound that will absolutely go right through it. So we do know that specific notes and specific combinations of notes will produce an emotional effect. So when we relate it to music, and certain composers or musicians or songwriters will specifically write their song in a specific order to create that emotional effect.